Good afternoon, students. First of all, best of luck to all of you for your coming half yearly examination. I hope you all have studied, read your lessons properly, your lessons from history, the decline of the Mughal Empire. Read the lesson also. Read the lesson. I am repeatedly telling, read the lesson and read the important words, read short questions. From that you will understand about the short sentences, the short formations. So fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, true false, picture study. I am repeating, fill in the blanks, true false, choose the correct answer, picture study. These four categories the questions have been divided. On these four categories, different types of questions in that only will be asked. So these are the sections. What are the sections? Under fill in the blanks, under choose the correct answer, true false, and picture study. Just as you have done in pre-half yearly. In that pattern only the examination will be there for your half yearly. And students, I hope you all have read the lesson from the decline of Mughal Empire. Read the chapters thoroughly. Read the lesson thoroughly. Then next lesson, rise of British power in Bengal. Read it. Read the lesson thoroughly. Properly read the lessons. All have been explained. You have to read it. Read it. Read the lessons. And also read the fill in the blanks, true false, choose the correct answer, and picture study from each lesson. Read it properly. Then your chapter 10, the revolt of 1857 also. Read all the lesson inside, from inside, for the different questions related with the category fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, true false, and picture study. In picture study you can get related to the picture questions. About the picture few questions can be asked, so be careful. The pictures will be from your lessons only, the lessons which have been given to you, that is the decline of the Mughal Empire, then is the rise of British power in Bengal, then is your revolt of 1857. So read the lessons, read from civics part also, that is chapter 16. Read the lessons and your back short questions exercises also you are reading, you are preparing. Read the lessons also, union legislature and union executive. Fill in the blanks, true false, choose the correct answer, category questions. Read it very properly. Okay, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, true false, these category questions, but from inside the lesson also. So read it, read the exercise questions and read here also. Okay, so read properly, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, true false. And history also you are studying properly, read the lessons. And now after discussing about the worksheet plan, now as you all have done fill in the blanks, true false, I have given you links also, so you have, I hope you all have filled it up. So fill in the blanks, true false, choose the correct answer, picture study, these category questions. In today's class, after seeing the video, you can attend, the link is given in your worksheet section. In your worksheet section, link is given. You click on that link, you will get your pattern of your half yearly type questions. Pattern, just a pattern, an example. Okay, with related to fill in the blanks, true, false, choose the correct answer, picture study. From this you will get the idea, the category of questions. So do attend it, and compulsory. All see it, open the link, solve it. Don't leave it. Okay, it is for your practice. Revision work. Revision work practice. Okay, it is your half yearly test practice questions. Revision work. So open the link and practice it. Today you will get it, so you can understand it very well. And in today I will give you few picture study questions. In study material I will give you picture and related to it few questions also, so you can understand it. The picture you can see, you can understand from your book only, the pictures of your book only, the lessons. From that I will give you, and questions related to the picture will be also given. Do read it, follow it and revise it. Study material section it will be, but in worksheet section you will get a link for your revision work. Okay, click on the link and you fill it up and solve it. Okay, you should do it, you should solve it. Okay students, so best of luck for your examination. Read the lessons and you all will do very well. So best of luck for your half yearly examination. Thank you. Thank you.